Hey guys, it is Cases Productions here, and today I'm going to be going on VMware and pretty much be doing a remake video of one of my videos I did a few weeks ago on the virtual machine. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and open it here. I had some issues recently. I got that fixed. Anyways, go ahead and run this here. Yeah, we got Windows XP on here with 1 GB of RAM. So yeah, guys, so I really hope you guys are enjoying your day so far. I am, which really I am not getting enough sleep right now because I just been too busy with piddling around with this goddamn virtual machine thing. Anyways, here we got Windows XP starting up here. Know if you guys can hear that. Let's see. And the audio is kind of terrible. I'm sorry. So I don't know why it's terrible for some reason. I have no idea. So yeah, we got Windows XP running on VMware. So anyways, this is gonna be sort of my remake video of the other one I did since people were saying I was mumbling. Now, is it possible to use XP? Maybe. So let's take a look. Web browsing. The last supported web browser of Internet Explorer was Internet Explorer 8, which was released back in March of 2009. So if you want to do web browsing, that's useless. Don't use it. Firefox still used to support XP. So here's Firefox right here. Unfortunately, Mozilla has discontinued support for XP. However, you can still download ESR. Here. Let's give it a few here. I do believe this is 52.8. Let's give it a minute here. Anyways, guys, I'll be right back. I will resume the video when it pops up. Guys, I am back. Sorry about that. I was gonna pause right there because, I do believe this is Firefox 52. Yeah, this was actually the last version to be released by Mozilla before they discontinued support for XP. Security updates. Unfortunately, Microsoft has stopped providing support for XP on April 8th of 2014. You can't get security updates officially anymore. However, you could get them unofficially by you can do a registry edit that you can make to get security updates until May of 2019, which is pretty nice. Like, imagine if you had a completely patched operating system. Opera is still supporting XP as well, so let's go ahead and open Opera. I have been having issues with Opera lately too. Again, I do apologize if it doesn't pop up here. I don't want the video. Guys, I am back once again. Hopefully I won't have any more issues. So I do believe this is Opera 36, I believe. I think it is. I'm not gonna waste the time of this video. So Iron still supports XP. I'm surprised though, because I'm surprised Adobe Flash still supports Windows XP. No, antivirus. I did manage to download Zone Alarm antivirus. I'm surprised that they're still supporting Windows XP. AVG, Avast, and there's other couples out there, and Zone Alarm are still supporting Windows XP. Now, if you gotta make sure that you download a supported antivirus, up-to-date antivirus. Microsoft Security Essentials, unfortunately, you can't do this anymore. They unfortunately became unsupported in 2015, I think. So, you can't download that anymore. What other areas you may ask? Well, basically, XP, ever since it was released, most of the stuff is pretty much outdated now. Like the interface, for example. However, there's some companies that still support Windows XP. Adobe Reader, for example. The latest version of Adobe Reader isn't supported, but Adobe Reader 11 still supports Windows XP. And pretty much every other company that still supports XP is pretty much being dropped. Steam, unfortunately, is discontinuing support in 2019, so you can still download the latest version of Steam, but not for long. Other areas you may ask. Skype is still supported. I'm really surprised that Microsoft is still supporting Skype for Windows XP. And basically, oh my god, why is this taking forever? I'll just get that load a little bit. Basically, you can't do that anymore, unfortunately. So yeah. Well, I mean, you still can, excuse me, I don't know what I'm talking about here. Anyways, VLC Media Player, I'm surprised they're supporting Windows XP as well. You can download the latest and greatest media player. GIMP still supports Windows XP as well. So yeah. Malwarebytes, unfortunately, yeah, see 2012. The latest version of Malwarebytes isn't supported in XP, so you have to download the last version of it. As you can see, yeah, 2012. Now, most major game companies moved on to Windows 7, but before, oh shit, really, but before that, I don't know what it's called, before XP, most game companies pretty much became unsupported in DirectX 9, which really sucked. Okay, well, that really sucks. Anyways, guys, that's pretty much it for this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video, and goodbye.